chicken nuggets, then you gotta sing along. If you like chicken nuggets, this is your favorite song. Good morning, South Aiken family. I'm here with Kinsley, who is here to help me to talk to you a little bit about WIN time. So next week, we'll be starting WIN time at South Aiken with our 10th, 11th, and 12th graders starting on Monday, and then our 9th graders starting on Tuesday. So 9th grade, you will report to your homeroom for the first half of WIN time on Monday, and we'll give you a little bit more in-depth instruction. And then our 10th, 11th, 12th, you'll start your regular WIN time on Monday, and again, 9th grade, you start on Tuesday. So I got Kinsley here. So Kinsley, tell me, you are an upperclassman. Tell me a little bit about WIN time.
WIN time is when I need time, and it's like 2 split lunches for an hour, and you can go to a certain class for the first half, and then you can go to either lunch or another class the second half.
Okay. So let me ask you this: are sometimes the lines somewhat long?
Yes.
All right. So, but have you ever had trouble getting your lunch?
No.
All right. So let's say, for example, that you the line is long, but you want to go back and see your teacher. What do you need to do?
Right pass.
Okay. So she would get a pass written from her teacher, so she can get in line and use that pass later to go up the hallways to go to her teacher's classroom. All right. And have there been some days that you just sit and talk to your friends?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But you also take that option to go and get help with teachers too, correct?
Yes.
So make sure you're using the WIN time properly and making sure that you are using it for your advantage to help improve your academic standards. We're here for you. We're here to help. And if you have questions as we move forward, please make sure you ask. Thank you. Now let's talk about the right and the wrong way to get in the lunch lines. Let's look at this again. Look at this. They're running, they're pushing, they're shoving, they're trying to get in front of each other, they're cutting line. You see that? Look at that. I mean, just look at this behavior. Now, I mean, pushing each other, getting it. Folks, we're gonna have enough food. Okay, we're gonna have enough food. There's no need for you all to do it. All right. Now on the flip side, let's look at the right way to eat lunch. Look at this. Everybody walking calmly, everybody taking their time. When somebody's in front of them, they don't try to move in front, they just get behind the next person. They know that there's going to be enough food. So when you go to get in the lunch line, there's no need to rush, there's no need to hurry. There's going to be enough food. And also, when we start WIN time, if you have issues getting your lunch, all right, let us know. We'll make sure you get fed. And then again, we talk about with the passes and everything of that nature, you're going to be able to get where you need to go. So make sure you're doing and going into the lunch line the proper way. None of that pushing, none of that shoving. Take your time. And if somebody's in front of you, don't cut. We're in high school, y'all. Let's do it the proper way. All right, how you doing, South Aiken? As you all have seen over the past couple of days, lunch is going to be handled a little different this year. Okay? So as you see, what's your name, sir? Ethan is here with me. He's ready to get his lunch. They have already put the entree on the meal. Now, we tried to let y'all pick your own fries, but some of you got too many fries, so we're going to have to fix fries for you. So you get your entree, they give you your plate, and then Ethan will go through and fix his own vegetables. Okay, so you're going to pick up your own vegetables, and you're going to pick up your own vegetables, and you have to make sure you pick up a vegetable and a fruit in order for your lunch to not be charged against you. Okay, so he will be able to take the scooper and choose his own vegetables, and also choose his own fruit for his own lunch, and then the vegetables will count for you. He can get corn. So he's got his choice. He got peas right here, we got corn right here. Okay? So he can make his choice about which vegetable he wants. And then we also have some peaches and we have orange, and again you make your own selection, and you gotta get them up to go along with it. Okay? So like I said, lunch is gonna be a little bit different this year. Again, they're gonna serve your entree. If you have fries, we gotta serve your fries because y'all try to get too many fries. But then other than that, you pick your own vegetables, pick your own fruit, and then go from there. So, thank you. Make sure you're here to do the process. Okay, so everybody, so we've gone over a couple different things in regards to lunch, WIN time. Yes, there have been some hiccups. It's the 3rd day of school, now it's the 4th day of school. So there's been some hiccups. But once again, okay, lunch is free and available to everybody. please make sure if you aren't getting lunch, let me know. Okay, let me know immediately. Let me know immediately. Okay, we're going to make sure everybody gets fed. If it means that we have to do a little switching around, working some things around with your class or something of that nature to make sure you get fed, make sure you let us know. Okay, we're going to make sure you get fed and make sure you get your lunch, and just let us know. Give you a lot of information in regards to WIN time and how you get your lunch, how lunch has changed. But as always, ask. All right, the answer is always going to be no until you ask the question, and it just may be a yes. So make sure you're asking those questions. We're here to help you. We're here to support you. Safety and security is our number one, but you also want to make sure you got a full belly. Okay, so make sure you're taking the time to get what you need throughout the day and ask those questions. All right, we're here to support you. And remember, it's every thoroughbred, every day, all means all.